Hi there, I'm Gary Collier, the director of IABC and the maker of these 3-minute Bible videos that you're watching, and I really appreciate you doing that. But first, you hear that whirring sound behind me? This is millions of cicadas that have come out. They come out about every 17 years, and so we're enjoying the sound of this while they're out. Anyway, these 3-minute Bible videos, they're still in process. We're not finished with those, and I don't want you to miss any of those. So please subscribe and turn on the notifications for those so that you don't miss them. And that way, every time a new one comes out, you'll get a notification that it's available to watch. By all means, put a comment down below the videos. We really appreciate that. Very much helps. Hit the like button if you're willing to do that as well. That helps us to know who's listening and whether or not they're valuable to you. Thank you so much.